Much love, and I'm Wayne Johnson with Doc and Queen Ministries. Our lesson today will be coming from 1 Corinthians chapter 15. I'm going to read verse 33 through 34, and it reads, "Don't be fooled. Bad friends will ruin good habits. Come back to your right way of thinking and stop sinning. Some of you don't know God. I say this to shame you." So you have to understand, you want to avoid any negative association with anybody. When you have two friends, and I'm just using that for an example, if one of the friends leads you to the enemy and the other friend leads you towards God, guess which one you should be a friend to? Understand, bad friends will even take away your good habits. You want to come back to the right way of thinking. You want to stay on the right way of thinking. Do not let bad company ruin you, putting you into sin. We're already going to sin enough, but we don't want to sin where we doing it willingly and we're not revering and doing a great relationship with God. Some of you, this verse finished off and says, some of you don't know God. And the reason why this is said to the Corinthian church is, I say this to shame you, because he wants you to get in right, proper perspective with God. So let us make sure that we go down the way of right friendship, right counsel, and stay away from bad friends, bad companies. If that person leads you, let's just say you got two guys you may want to date, and one is going to lead you down the path of the enemy, and the other one is going to lead you down the path of God, then which one do you think God wants you to go down? I hope that this has helped. Take care. God bless. And once again, much love.